In this tutorial, we will see that how can uninstall League of Legends in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So here, firstly, you have to close it from here, and then in the right bottom side, you will find here this icon. Click on that and it will show you these all apps that's running in the background. You will see here Riot Games. Here it is. Right click on that and simply click exit from here. After exiting from here, right click on that and open this task manager. Here it will show you all running programs. You have to search for Riot Games or Riot Client. If it's running in the background, right click on that and simply end task from here. So in my case, it's not showing anymore because we have already exited from background. After doing it, close it and click on that search and search for League of Legends. Here it is. Right click on that and simply select uninstall. It will take you to this page here where you have to find League of Legends. Here it is. Right click on that and uninstall it. You will see here uninstall successful. Click done. You can also search for Riot Client or Riot Games. Here it is. Right click on that and uninstall. It's showing here it's already uninstalled. That's it. So that's how you can uninstall completely League of Legends in just few easy steps.